This video will demonstrate how to install decorative panels into a Napoleon Riverside outdoor gas fireplace. Begin by locating the 3 retainers and bend them in a 90-degree angle. Then turn your attention to the interior of the firebox and remove the 3 screws along the top. Keep these as they will be required for a later step. Locate the rear panel and ensure it is oriented so the notch is at the bottom. Carefully place it into the rear bracket and use the previously removed screw to secure the panel in place using the retainer. Locate the left side panel and identify the cutout on the bottom inside corner. Carefully place the side panel onto the left side of the firebox, ensuring the mortar details are aligned and the cutout provides room around the gas line access. Once located correctly, secure the panel in place using the retainer and ensure the mortar details are still aligned. Lastly, locate the right side panel and cutout, then carefully place it on the right side of the firebox. Once the cutout and mortar details are aligned, secure it in place using the retainer. Double-check that all the mortar details are aligned and the panels are secure to finalize the installation of the decorative panels. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.